Let's take a closer look at this Samsonite carry-on 20-inch spinner luggage that really does maximize your power of packing, and it meets all the carry-on restrictions for those traveling domestically. Let me point out all the different ways where you can pack and all the different compartments where you can store all your extra personal items. So the first one is right here. Opens up, you can store something there. Then you have the one at the top that allows you to store items there. And then it has an expandable zipper, which I've already opened, so if you have more items in your suitcase, it can expand that way. Let me point out that it does have a retractable handle. It has a handle you can carry here, and it also has one where you can carry on the side. And as you can see, it has wheels that spin 360 degrees for your convenience. Let me point out all the different zipper compartments that it has. It has one here, another one here. There's one that hangs down with some snaps that are attached right here. And then it also has one on the side here for you. And then you can pack your personal belongings, and it has two straps to keep them from moving around during your travels. So this little suitcase is a power suitcase because it can really pack a lot of items. And here's your expandable suitcase. So if you need to expand it for more items, it is very practical. I'm so glad I purchased this item because I do travel a lot and I don't have to worry about checking my luggage, since this Samsonite meets the 20-inch requirements for domestic flying, and I highly recommend it.